Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the object options for objects in your Google Vids scenes. The object options are sort of like a hidden menu of features and characteristics that you can apply to one specific object. So when you've got a Google Vids scene and you've already inserted some objects, there's a couple of different ways that you can change the characteristics of that object. So one way is to select it and then use the menus at the top, or once the object is selected, if you right click, you'll get object options, which bring a lot of the common characteristics and features that you might use on that object quickly available. Cut it, copy it, paste it, whatever, order, rotate, tons of different stuff you can access just from right clicking. And oftentimes the menu options that you see when you right click will be dependent on the actual object. So here I right clicked on a video, so I have options to crop the video, replace the video, and so on. There's going to be a lot of overlap on this, but different objects will have different options. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.